Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet's Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today I'm making you a super simple, absolutely delicious curry goat. Curry is one of the things that I grew up on as a child. I'm not using my mom's recipe because quite frankly, we never wrote any of those recipes down. But my husband especially loved curry goat, so I'm going to be putting my own flair. Let's take a look at how I put together this super simple, absolutely delicious curry goat. Okay, really the first thing you want to do is prepare the goat meat for cooking. Goat tend to have a gamey type of flavor similar to lamb, so the way I get rid of that gamey taste is soaking the goat in cold water with vinegar for about a half an hour and then rinse it clean and dry it. Then I season it with salt and pepper. This is 2 teaspoons. I love using sea salt. You could use what you like. 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. So I have, this is a large 6-quart pan and I'm going to be using olive oil. Okay, the moment of truth. Look at that. It just comes apart, nice and tender. Perfect. I'm actually going to serve this with some of my rice and beans. I actually will add the link to my website down below that you can access that recipe. Okay, beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed watching this easy tutorial of how Yasmin makes a super delicious, easy to make curry goat. Your thumbs up to this video is very much appreciated, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, I really do appreciate you clicking on the icon to my left, your right. To get the details in writing to this recipe, go on and mouse over to my food blog at julietkitchen.com. Until next time, happy cooking!